Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got 10 mouthwatering keto breakfast ideas lined up for you, so let's jump right in. Number 1. Chorizo omelette, an egg-based breakfast that's anything but boring. Loaded with spicy chorizo sausage and spinach, this keto chorizo omelette is bursting with hearty flavors. Number 2. Hot Pockets, scrambled eggs and bacon turned into a portable meal. These hot pockets, or hand pies as some call them, can be made ahead, frozen, and then baked just before you're ready to leave the house. Number 3. Keto yogurt. Fruit yogurt is usually pretty high in carbs, but there's a way to create a lower carb version of this popular breakfast edition. This keto yogurt is one great example. Number 4. Cheese bread, another great use of fathead dough. This cheesy bread can be prepared in advance and takes only 15 minutes of baking time. Use it instead of toast for your favorite keto spreads or enjoy it as it is. Number 5. Garlic bread. This keto garlic bread is the best keto breakfast substitute for bagels or toast. It's made with a slightly different version of fathead dough and flavored with Italian herbs and parmesan. Number 6. Cloud bread. You may also know this low-carb staple as oopsie bread. It's made with a handful of simple ingredients, like eggs and cream cheese. It's called cloud bread because it's light and fluffy as bread should be. Besides being great for keto, it's also gluten-free, grain-free, and nut-free, too. Number 7. Mashed cauliflower. It'll give you plenty of fiber, protein, and antioxidants while keeping carbs low. This mashed cauliflower is topped with crumbled bacon and spring onion. But feel free to add extra sour cream and shredded cheddar and enjoy it on its own. Number 8. Cauliflower ham gratin. Another way to enjoy cauliflower for breakfast is in this cauli ham gratin. It's rich in protein thanks to ham and Greek yogurt. Protein is the most filling of the 3 macros, and you really want to start your day with something protein-rich to keep you full until lunchtime. Number 9. Salmon patties. When looking for a nutritious breakfast option, consider these salmon patties. Salmon is a source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that you need for brain and cardiovascular health. Number 10. Buffalo chicken casserole. This buffalo chicken casserole the next morning whenever you have leftover chicken from the night before. This one is made with hot sauce and cheddar instead of classic buffalo sauce, loaded with keto-friendly veggies. It's also as good for you as it is delicious. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence? Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like